English conversation with friends. John and Rose. Just listen to the dialogue and repeat with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Every week we bring stories and conversations that will improve your English. Thank you. Let's go. Scenario 1. Discussing hobbies and interests. John. Rose, it's so good to see you again. What have you been up to lately?
Rose, I've been keeping busy with my hobbies. I've taken up painting and gardening.
John. That's fantastic. I've always wanted to try painting. How did you get into it?
Rose, well, I attended a local art class and it's been a great way to relax and express myself. Gardening is equally therapeutic.
John. I should try it sometime. By the way, do you still enjoy reading? I remember you used to be an avid reader.
Rose, oh, I can't imagine life without books. Reading is like a journey to different worlds.
Scenario 2. Planning a weekend getaway. John. Rose, it's been a while and I miss our adventures. How about planning a weekend getaway soon?
Rose, John, I'd love that. Where do you have in mind?
John. How about a beach destination? We can soak up the sun, relax on the sandy shores, and enjoy some water sports.
Rose, that sounds amazing. I'm in. Let's check our schedules and find the perfect weekend for our little escape.
John. Great. I'll look into some beachfront cottages. It's going to be a fantastic reunion. Scenario 3. Talking about travel experiences. John. Rose, I've been reminiscing about our trip to Europe a few years ago. What's your most memorable travel experience?
Rose, oh, that European adventure was amazing. But I'd say my trip to Japan last year was incredibly special. The culture, food, and scenery were unforgettable.
John. Japan sounds incredible. I've always wanted to visit. What's the best place you'd recommend?
Rose. Kyoto was my favourite. The temples, gardens, and cherry blossoms in spring are a must-see.
Scenario 4. Discussing movies and entertainment. John. Rose, have you seen any good movies lately?
Rose. I watched this incredible documentary about wildlife conservation. It was both informative and heartwarming.
John. That sounds fascinating. I recently saw a suspense thriller that had me on the edge of my seat. I love how movies can transport us to different worlds.
Rose, I couldn't agree more. It's amazing how they can evoke a wide range of emotions.
Scenario 5. Sharing future plans. John. Rose, what are your plans for the future? Are there any new goals or dreams you're pursuing?
Rose, well, I've been thinking about furthering my education and possibly starting my own business someday.
John. That's fantastic, Rose. Pursuing your dreams is always a great idea. I've been considering some career changes and taking on new challenges myself.
Rose, that's inspiring, John. I'm sure you'll succeed in whatever you choose to do.
Scenario 6. Talking about food and cooking. John. Rose, I've been experimenting with cooking lately. What's your favorite type of cuisine?
Rose. John, I love Italian cuisine. The pasta, pizza, and gelato are hard to resist.
John. I'm a fan of Italian food too. I've been trying my hand at making homemade pizza. It's quite a delicious challenge.
Rose, that sounds fun. We should have a homemade pizza night sometime.